Imagine a place where every laugh, every meal, and every moment spent together brings you closer. A place that might not be grand, but feels like home in every sense of the word. The warmth of a family is something special. It's more than just a roof over your head. It's the people who share that space with you, who fill it with life and love. Today, I want to take you on a journey into my world, into the heart of my family. We'll talk about how the people who make up my family have shaped who I am, and maybe even help you reflect on the story of your own family. What do they mean to you? And how can talking about family help improve your English while connecting to your heart and experiences? Let's dive in and see how sharing your family story can help you build stronger language skills and connect more deeply with others. Hi, I'm Emma, and today we're going to talk about something that's really close to my heart, family. Family is more than just the people you share a last name with. They are the ones who support you, love you, and sometimes challenge you. They shape who you are and help guide you through life. In this lesson, I'll introduce you to my family through their stories. You'll pick up new words, expressions, and phrases that will help you talk about your own family. But more than that, I hope you'll connect with these words in a way that makes them feel more personal. By the end, I'm sure you'll have your own stories to tell, and I'm excited to hear them. So let's begin. Meet my family. My family is made up of people who each bring something unique and wonderful to our lives. Let me start with my mother. Her name is Sarah, and she's 45 years old. My mom is the kind of person who makes you feel at home, no matter where you are. She's always there to listen when I need to talk. She's incredibly busy, yet she always makes time for me. The kitchen is her domain, and that's where she shines. She can cook anything, but her pasta is a legend in our house. It's not just about the food, though it's the care she puts into every meal, the love she pours into it. And when I'm feeling down, she's there with a warm hug, her gentle voice offering words of comfort and advice. She's the heart of our home, and I'm so lucky to have her. My father, David, is 48. By day, he works in an office, but when he's at home, he's the handyman of the family. Need a sink fixed? David's got it covered. A broken bike tire? He'll handle it. There's nothing he can't fix. But what really makes him special is his sense of humor. Our home would be quiet without him. At the dinner table, his jokes never fail to make us laugh until our stomachs hurt. It's not just about the jokes, though. It's about how he fills our home with positivity. No matter what's going on in the outside world, his laughter is infectious. And it's one of the things I cherish most about him. Then there's my younger brother, Tom. He's 15 years old, and he's a bundle of energy. Every weekend, you can find him on the football field, playing with his team. He's really good at it. And when his team wins trophies, you can see the pride on his face. He's not just a sports guy, though. He's protective, too. Even though he's younger than me, he always looks out for me. He's the first one to step in when I have a problem. And no matter how old I get, I know I can count on him. And yes, he can be a little noisy when he's playing his video games. But that's just part of what makes him Tom. We have our moments of teasing, but I wouldn't trade him for anything. Finally, there's my little sister, Anna. She's 10 years old, and she's full of curiosity. Anna's the one who keeps asking questions about everything. She loves to read books about princesses and faraway adventures. And when she's not reading, she's drawing. Her pictures are incredible. And sometimes she draws our family sitting together in the living room. She's always thinking about others, too. She makes little gifts for everyone in the family, handmade cards, paper flowers, you name it. She might be young, but her heart is already big. And I admire her for it. She reminds me to keep looking at the world through curious eyes. And that's something I'll always treasure about her. What makes our family special? So, what makes our family special? It's not just about what we do together. It's about how we care for each other, how we always make time to be together, and how we make sure that no matter what happens, we are there for each other. It's easy to get caught up in the busyness of life. But in our family, we always find ways to stay connected, to share our moments, and to offer support when it's needed. One thing I truly love about our family is our weekend traditions. Every Saturday and Sunday, we spend time together doing something fun, something that brings us closer. Sometimes it's as simple as watching a movie in the living room. We make popcorn, turn off the lights, and enjoy the film. The laughter that fills the room while we watch together is priceless. Even though we all have busy lives, this is the time we prioritize. It's our time to reconnect. Other weekends, we go for a walk in the park or enjoy a picnic under a big tree. In the spring, the flowers bloom, and in the summer, we spread a blanket on the grass, eat sandwiches, talk about our week, and enjoy the sunshine. These are the moments that make everything feel right. The world outside can be busy, chaotic even. But when we're together in those simple moments, it feels like nothing else matters. This time together, no matter how small or simple, strengthens our bond. And that's what makes our family so special. Our family doesn't just share meals, activities, or laughter. We share a deep understanding that we're there for one another through thick and thin. When one of us faces a challenge, the rest of us rally around. Whether it's a school project, a tough day at work, or just needing a shoulder to lean on, we're a team. And that sense of belonging, of being part of something bigger than yourself, is what makes our family so unique. We may not be perfect, but we always make sure each other feels loved, supported, and appreciated. Our home. Our house may not be huge, but it's ours, and it's full of love. There's something about having a place that truly feels like home, a place where every corner holds memories, and every room tells its own little story. Our home might not be the biggest or the fanciest, but it's the place where we come together, where we find comfort and peace, and where we create moments that will last forever. When you first walk in, the living room is the first thing you see. It's the heart of our home, the place where we all gather after a busy day. The sofa is just the right size for everyone to fit in, and it's the spot where we share our stories, laugh about the funny things that happened, and sometimes even argue about which TV show to watch. But no matter what, it's always a warm, comforting space where we feel safe and loved. The walls are lined with family photos that remind us of all the happy moments we've shared, from birthdays to vacations. Those photos capture the essence of who we are. And the sunlight, well, it comes pouring in through the big window, filling the room with warmth and making it feel alive, like the home itself is embracing us after a long day. The kitchen is another important space. It's my mother's domain, small, but always full of delicious smells that make your mouth water as soon as you step inside. My mom is an incredible cook, and the kitchen is where the heart of our family meals happens. It's not just the food that makes the kitchen special, though. It's the conversations, the laughter, and sometimes even the quiet moments spent together as a family. Whether it's her signature pasta or just a simple bowl of soup, every meal is made with love. And it's in that kitchen that we gather together to enjoy each other's company. It's the place where we talk about our day, share news, and just be ourselves. No matter how hectic or stressful life might get, upstairs, each of us has our own little space. Tom's room is a reflection of his energy and passions. It's full of trophies from his football games, posters of his favorite teams, and pictures of his friends. His room is a reminder of the hard work and determination he puts into everything he does. It's also the place where he spends time alone, catching up on his schoolwork or playing video games, his laughter often echoing through the walls as he competes in online tournaments. Anna's room is a bright burst of color. It's full of her drawings, colorful, imaginative pictures of princesses, animals, and adventures. The walls are covered with her artwork, and her little desk is always full of markers, pencils, and paints. It's the place where she lets her creativity flow. And you can always find her making something new, whether it's a handmade card for a family member or a drawing of the family sitting together in the living room. Her room is a reflection of her big heart and her deep curiosity about the world around her. And then there's my room. It's small, but it's my personal sanctuary. After a long day of school or work, it's where I go to unwind and find some peace. My bookshelf is full of my favorite books, from novels to inspirational reads, and I always find a moment in the evening to sit by my window with a good book. There's a small lamp on my desk, casting a soft glow in the room, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's the perfect space to relax, gather my thoughts, and just be myself. Even though our house isn't huge, it's perfect for us. Every room holds a special place in my heart, and it's where we share our memories, create new ones, and feel safe and loved. No matter what the world throws at us, when we're together in our home, we know we're exactly where we're supposed to be. How you can talk about your family now. I want you to think about your own family. Who are the people who make your world better? It's not just about the big moments, like birthdays or holidays. It's the little things, the way your family makes you feel loved, supported, and cherished, day after day. As we've talked about my family and my home, think about your own family. Who do you live with? What do you love most about them? Do you have any funny or special memories that make you smile every time you think about them? These are the things that make your family unique, and you can share your family story in English too to help you. Let's use some of the phrases and sentences we've learned today. For example, you can say, "This is my mother. She's kind and caring." Or, "My brother loves playing soccer and always brings home trophies." Or maybe your family has traditions that you love, like playing board games together or having a picnic on the weekend. You could say, "Every Saturday, we have a family movie night." Or on Sundays, we go for a walk in the park together. By practicing these sentences, you can become more comfortable talking about your family in English, and you might even discover new ways to express how much they mean to you. As you think about your family and the memories you share with them, remember that your story is just as special as mine. It's unique to you, and it's something you can share with the world. Whether your family is big or small, whether you're close-knit or spread out, the love and care you share with each other makes you who you are. I hope today's lesson has not only helped you practice your English, but also reminded you of how wonderful your family is. Keep practicing, keep sharing your stories, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lessons just like this one. I can't wait to hear your stories. Remember, it's the small moments that make family life so special. Whether it's a laugh around the dinner table or a quiet evening in your room, those moments are the ones that stay with you forever. And by sharing your family stories in English, you're not only improving your language skills, but also connecting with the people you love, creating a bond that lasts a lifetime. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'm so proud of you for taking the time to learn and practice your English. And I hope that you, too, are proud of yourself. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep sharing your beautiful stories with the world. Until next time, stay connected with your loved ones and keep practicing.